Hello young artists, thanks for coming today. Today we're going to draw a super cute cupcake. So cute that you're just going to want to take a bite.
When Bear draws, you can too!
Hey, today we're going to draw with a Sharpie and some color pencil, but you can draw with whatever you have at home. If I'm going too fast for you, remember that you can pause the video or you can come back and watch it again. Remember, when Bear draws, you can too. Let's get started. Let's start at the top of my paper here. And I think for my cupcake, I want to put maybe a swirl for my icing, and I want to draw a strawberry on top. So I'm going to start with a shape just like a strawberry. And I'm going to put a stem with 1, 2, 3 little curved shapes right there. And what we'll do is we'll go back and, I think we'll just put our little dots here for our strawberry. But you could add those a little later or towards the end if you wanted. Now this is the tricky part, so you're going to just have to watch and follow along. We're going to add a swirled top to our cupcake. So we're going to start right here, and we're going to curve around like this. And imagine that that comes around through our strawberry back behind, so it's a little lower. We're going to make another layer of icing, and it can be a little thicker, and then we're going to bring that one down and make one more icing, but I'm going to stop right here, and I'll show you why in a minute. I'm going to imagine that it's going to come around here all the way, pretty big here, pick back up and come around. So this is going to be the top of our cupcake. Now what we're going to do is we want to draw our sides and create our basic shape. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to come around on this side and come down about the same distance and stop. And then I'm going to curve my line around, just like that. Now the fun part, let's give this cupcake a little smiley face. So we're going to start right here with the nose. I'm going to come down with the straight line. I think I'm going to give her some round eyes. One here. I'm going to come over about equal distance. And one here, just like that. Now I'm going to add a smaller circle here for her pupil and another part here for the colored part of her eyes. And you'll get to decide what color you want to color that in when we add some color. I'm going to add a little highlight and just color the rest in with some black. Just like that. Okay, let's give her a big smiley face. So we can offset her mouth a little bit, and we'll draw it with a curve and a curve down and another curve up, and we'll draw her tongue, and we can just color this in with some black. Just like that. Now let's give her some character. Let's give her some long, I don't know, should we make them long or short? Well, let's make them long. We'll give her some eyelashes. Give her 2 eyelashes here. And we'll give her 2 eyelashes here. Just like that. Super cute. Okay. Now what we can do is we can finish off the top of our cupcake. And what we want to do, and what I think I'll do is I'm going to turn my drawing this way, and I'm going to draw some zigzags. And I'll show you why here in a minute. If you ever have a cupcake in your hand, you'll see that the top has some zigzags on it. So we're going to add some to our cupcake here, just like that. And then now this gives us some areas where we can just add some extra details some different lines. We can put them down here. We can draw a line right there. Now let's go back here and let's just make her smile a little bigger. Like that. And when we put some color in here, we'll really bring her to life. Now I'm thinking, let's put her on a plate. I'm going to turn my cupcake this way, and I'm going to imagine that my plate goes through the cupcake just like this. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line curve this way. I'm going to imagine that that line comes through here. I'm going to pick it up here, and then I think I'll turn it this way and just pick this up and curve this around and pick up right there. And I'll add another little bottom here. And I'll curve this around to match, just like that. And I think what I'll do is I'll add a couple little extra lines here. And a line there. Then I'm going to do the same over here. I'll vary it a little bit. Hey, that was really easy. And it looks awesome. Now the fun part. Let's add some color. All right, now the fun part. Let's add some color. I'm going to start at the top of my strawberry here, and I'm just going to work my way down. Hey guys, great job! Your cupcake looks amazing. Hey, thanks for drawing with me today. Stay in touch, subscribe to my channel, or visit my site, beardraws.com.
So just keep drawing.